Today on MotivLearn. Ever wonder why you remember embarrassing moments from years ago, but forget where you put your keys 5 minutes ago? Buckle up as we get into the most intriguing facts about human behavior. Within seconds of meeting someone, your brain forms a lasting impression. This snap judgment influences how you perceive that person in future interactions. It's not just about looks. Factors like body language, tone of voice, and even smell play crucial roles in this lightning-fast assessment. Imagine witnessing an emergency. You'd help, right? Not so fast. The bystander effect shows that the more people present during an emergency, the less likely any individual is to offer assistance. This counterintuitive phenomenon stems from diffusion of responsibility and social influence. Ever met someone who thinks they're an expert on everything? They might be suffering from the Dunning-Kruger effect. This cognitive bias leads people with limited knowledge or expertise to overestimate their abilities, while true experts tend to underestimate theirs. A simple touch can work wonders. Studies show that brief physical contact, like a pat on the back or a handshake, can increase feelings of trust and cooperation. It's no wonder many cultures greet each other with hugs or kisses. Remember that time you tripped in public and felt like everyone was staring? You probably experienced the spotlight effect. This phenomenon causes us to overestimate how much others notice our appearance or behavior. The truth is, people are usually too wrapped up in their own lives to pay that much attention to your minor slip-ups. If you think someone is attractive, you're more likely to assume they're also kind, intelligent, and successful. This cognitive bias, known as the halo effect, shows how one positive trait can influence our overall impression of a person. Ever noticed how you're more likely to try a crowded restaurant than an empty one? That's social proof in action. We tend to follow the behavior of others, assuming that if many people are doing something, it must be the right choice. Why do people love their wonky DIY projects? The IKEA effect explains that we place higher value on things we've created ourselves, regardless of their objective quality. This bias extends beyond furniture assembly to all sorts of tasks and creations. Surprisingly, making a minor mistake can make you more likable. The pratfall effect shows that people find others more appealing when they exhibit small flaws or weaknesses. It humanizes them and makes them more relatable. Your expectations can shape reality. The Pygmalion effect demonstrates that when we have high expectations for others, they tend to rise to meet those expectations. This phenomenon has profound implications in education, management, and personal relationships. These fascinating quirks of human behavior remind us that we're complex, sometimes irrational, but always intriguing creatures. Which of these facts surprised you the most? Drop a comment below and share your thoughts. That's it for today's video. See you next time, right here on MotivLearn.